My name is Alyssa Nitchin. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm the executive director of the Leslie-Lohman Museum of Art in New York City.
The Leslie-Lohman Museum of Art is the only art museum in the world dedicated to LGBTQIA+ artists and the work they create. We have a collection of more than 25,000 artworks spanning 3 centuries. So we're constantly playing with a very kind of complex matrix of temperature, humidity, heat, cool, and sunlight to ensure the optimal long-term preservation of artworks. We applied for an implementation grant for the Frankenthaler Climate Initiative to support the installation of really what would become a new comprehensive HVAC system along with upgraded windows for the envelope of the building. Currently, our building emits around 75 to 80 tons of CO2 annually. When the renovations are completed, our engineers project a 30-ton CO2 emissions reduction overall. Energy costs are the second largest component of museum budgets. And so in fact, being fiscally responsible and impacting climate for the better are not mutually exclusive.
We are a place that is grounded in expansiveness and imagination and really the deep intersectionality of all of our identities as humans. And this means being a more just, equitable, and accountable museum. Climate is an inherent part of this.